Did you know? There's a type of mushroom that, if consumed just once, could theoretically feed a person for the rest of their life. It's a fascinating, albeit grim fact, isn't it? And how about this? The world's quietest room registers at minus 20.35 decibels. It's so silent, you can actually hear your own organs at work. Imagine hearing your heart beating, your stomach churning, even the blood flowing in your veins. Now, here's a less-known fact about the Taj Mahal, a view that's rarely seen, yet equally captivating. Intriguing, isn't it? In the realm of neuroscience, did you know that a typical human brain is composed of approximately 86 billion neurons? These are the little guys responsible for processing and transmitting information. And for a sweet ending, consider this. An ice cream cone, complete with nuts and chocolate ice cream, is nearly twice as healthy as a multigrain bagel with raisins.